Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to write a line following program based on the program outline we developed in the last video. So if you didn't see the last video, I suggest you go back and watch that and then come back and watch this one on how to actually write a line following program. So our basic program outline was if we're over dark, we're going to turn left. If we're over light color, we're going to turn right. And we're going to keep doing that over and over and over again. So whenever we repeat something over and over again, we'd like to use a loop. And for right now, we'll just let it repeat forever. Okay. And when we're saying if we're over a dark color, we're going to turn left. Over a light color, turn right. We're using if-then type language, which when we use that type of language, we use a switch, because that's like an if-then statement. We then want to make our switch a light sensor switch, so edit the sensor, light sensor. Okay, mine's on port 3, so I'm going to leave it like that. If you look at the compare, if it's greater than 50, we're going to go up top. If it's less than 50, we're going to go down low. So this is dark color, this is light. Okay, so now we're going to make our turning routine, which is going to take 4 move blocks, 2 on top, 2 on the bottom. Okay. Now my motors are arranged like this. So if I want to turn right when I'm over a light color, I'm going to power C. So C goes like that. Okay. So that's turning right. So C, actually, what I'm going to do is stop B first. And you'll see why we stop B in a second. And then drive C forward. And we want C to go forward unlimited. We don't want there to be a limit because we want it to go through this loop really fast. And we're going to turn down the power level to something like 30 because line followers tend to run slowly. Okay. And now in this one, we turn C off and run B forward unlimited at 30% power. And now the reason why we have the C stopping here makes sense, because if we exit up here, let's say we're over light, B is off, C is on, come through, C is still on, now we're over dark, so we got to turn C off before we can turn B back on. Okay, that's why we have these stops in front. Okay, this is a basic line following program. Okay, you turn right up here and turn left down there. So now I'm going to show you what this looks like when you download it to a program or to a robot.